and welcome in our new lesson, this lesson about the question words, which is mean WH word. In English, what, where, who, how, right? Okay. In Arabic, what means ما or ماذا. ما in just one thing. For example, ما هذا. What is this? ما هذا. What is this? What is this? ما. What is this? ما هذا. Alright? So with ماذا, which is mean also what. ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? Right? What are you doing? ماذا تفعل? ماذا تفعل? Again, ماذا تفعل? Right? Or ماذا يحدث? What's happening? What's happening means ماذا يحدث? ماذا يحدث? Alright? Or means أو. Alright? So let's move to the next one. Who means من. Who, من. Alright? Who is this? من يكون هذا or من هذا for male. من هذا. If I would like to say who is she, من هذه. Alright? من هذه. من هذه. Say the هذه. Alright? So this was who. Who means من. What means ما or ماذا. Right? Where. Where for places in Arabic. أين. 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 Where means أين. So again, where means أين. Where means أين. Right? أين. Repeat it after me. أين. Let's move to the next one. How. How. Don't say like sugaring cacao, right? So, right, it's just for fun. How. So, how in Arabic means كيف. 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 How are you? كيف حالك. كيف حالك. How are you? Or how's it going? Or how are you doing? These all things means كيف حالك. كيف حالك. Right? So this was our lesson about the question words, and wait for us for the next videos, and don't forget to see the last videos about learning Arabic language with Mr. Ahmed Said, and don't forget to make subscribe and share for your friends, and see you later. وداعاً.